Yeah, but then close the door because your voice a lot better.
What?
Once
it's recording,
just shut it.
Okay, so let's get the flag up. I'm healthy, I promise. Yes.
All right. Oh. Hello.
Hey.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to.
You got one something you saw with eyes looking.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry. Oh. Bigfala Lesen
Blong Bislama.
blong
Blong Bislama.
Woops.
That's right.
There we go.
What's up, Mike?
Mo John.
See.
Sorry, we're just doing some housekeeping in our new offices.
Yeah. Doing pretty good.
So,
Okay.
today's lesson
Stick is super necessary.
is brought to us by Fiji shoes.
Fiji shoes.
Because when you need to be classy in Vanuatu, you need to have Fiji shoes.
You also need to be rich enough to be able to afford going to Fiji and buy the shoes.
Because they don't sell them in Villa anymore for some reason.
Which it's really not even very expensive, it's just most people kind of like their island a lot. Which is really nice.
So some of you might remember that we had a producer, Kelsey. Well, now we have new Kelsey.
Say hello, new Kelsey.
Hello!
New Kelsey, do you have anything to say about our wonderful sponsor, Fiji shoes?
They're the ugliest shoes ever.
Oh, it's not going to help our sponsorship prospects in the future.
I mean, they're the most beautiful shoes I've ever seen.
So,
She's new here,
she's
wear it.
new, yeah, she'll get it. So, it's been a while, sorry about that. But, we wanted to get a little caught up with
Family.
Mike's using the alphabet, which you might remember from lesson 1, if you watched it.
To spell family correctly in Bislama, the local national pidgin language of Vanuatu.
You must take your shell, though.
Oh,
Wow.
we forgot our welcome shell.
You got a welcome shell.
So forgot to underline it, dude. Much better.
Here, I'll pass it over to John.
Oh, thank you, sir.
The first shell.
This is the first time we're doing our welcome shell together.
It is? Oh yeah,
Bula.
we never did that, did we?
That's Fijian for
Bula. This is going to devolve into Fijian lesson before long, I feel like.
We only know like 6 words, so it's not going to be that much.
Vinaka.
We have to clap that too.
I don't want to do the claps. Juice not yet at all.
No, do you?
Okay, I'll do
Really
it.
sure? Yeah.
No,
That's fine.
Wait, oh god. This is harder than
Now remember, we're still inside, so we can't spit. But normally when you take your shell, you're supposed to spit.
Yep.
But as with our old landlord and our new landlord, we're not allowed to spit on the floor.
It's my house, we could. I don't really care that much.
So, family. They say you can't choose your family.
It's true-ish. Unless you're in Peace Corps, then you kind of do.
We never said that before.
What?
Doesn't mean that we're in Peace Corps.
Ah, let's start over.
Shit, we already did. Oh, now we're cursing too. We have to start over.
Just give us a shot of